रेडी?
ताकि वहाँ पे याद आए
मैं लेकर पीछे में कुछ करूँगा ऐसे
करने का भी शुरू हुआ।
हाँ क्या एडिट
क्या याद है इधर कोई नहीं बात कर रहे Hello everybody.
Hello everybody. Can we have all the little champions here out? All little kids out here, please. Parents, please bring their kids, your own kids to backstage, because we would be having a kids fashion show in some time. Are all the kids here?
Celebrate the 8th anniversary of Great Software Lab, I, Aditya,
And me, Divya.
on behalf of all the Campus Hires 2011, would like to wish you all a very happy birthday. It is because of the collective effort of all the people that Great Software Lab has reached new milestones, achieved great heights, and stood high even in difficult situations. So people, let us all celebrate. Let us create some magical moments. Let us create some happy memories. Let us surround ourselves with joy and laughter.
So as you see, the first section is starting with our young ones who are already very enthusiastic and have come on stage. So the first section is the kids fashion show, and each one of them will be walking the stage and try to impress you. Please cheer them up, appreciate them. So let's start the kids section with this note.
It's
here. He'll introduce himself.
Ishan Rajesh Anderson. Teacher.
Okay.
Thanks, Ishan. We've got the next little champion here. What's your name? What's your name? Which standard do you study? Nursery?
Can I know whose beautiful child is it?
Buddy.
Dhairya Manish Kapadia. Thank you so much.
Standard second. Bhavna Mularam Chaudhary. I am studying in grade 5th. Hi, I am Chetan Dhananjay Dalve. Dhananjay Dalve. Sorry, Chetan Dhananjay Dalve. Thank you. Maitreyi Arjun Narkhede. I am studying in 5th. Manas Arjun Narkhede. 3rd.
Who's the kid with the balloon? Yes, come Give him a round applause. So then, these were the little ones that we had amongst us. Oh, we have more. Who's this one?
Your completion awards.
And a warm welcome to the GS Rap party, 8th birthday party today. Actually, the birthday is tomorrow, but we didn't want to sacrifice the Saturday for the birthday party. I'm Sridhar Shukla, and on behalf of the management team, I welcome you all here. We normally have Sunil, who also visits. This year he will visit in November, as some of you might know. Sunil Gaitonde is the company's CEO. He's based in Chicago. We also have our CTO Atul Narkhede, who's traveling on business. He's also in Chicago, but he's made sure that he sent his entire family here. So we have his parents, wife, and Maitreyi and Manas, who just came up on the stage. Along with them, I want to welcome everybody who's got a family member or a spouse and a child or a friend along here. We really cherish their presence because you all must know where it is and who are the people that your relative or child or friend works. So welcome you all. Now it's always a great occasion for us because on this occasion we acknowledge all those who have given us long service. There are a number of colleagues who have worked with GS Lab for a long time, including our very first employee, Leena Pandit. But on this occasion, we make sure that we acknowledge those who have completed 5 years. So I'm going to call all those who have completed 5 years at GS Lab between the 7th birthday and the 8th birthday. Okay? So let all of them come up here and then we will have them talk a little bit. So the first person to call on stage is Chintamani Vaidya. Chintamani. The second person to call on stage is Kalyani Kulkarni. It's so bright we can't see you. So, is Kalyani here? She's not here. Okay. The next person to call is Viraj Paripatidar. Viraj here. And the last person is Chetan Vaiti. Is Chetan here? Well, I can understand Kalyani, Viraj and Chetan being a little late because all of them have very young children at home, and I did speak to all 3 of them, so they ought to be coming, may not have just gotten here yet. So we have Chintamani, we will... Thank you very much. Before you go away, let me just say that Chintamani takes care of all of GS Lab's facilities and keeps the place running. Make sure that we have electricity all the time and the housekeeping takes place. We met Chintamani through his son-in-law. So either his daughter is doing a really good job or both he and his son-in-law are really nice people. So he's also taken the trouble to write a short poem on GS Lab on the occasion today. So I'm going to request him to read it. It's in Marathi, but let him explain it in any which way he wants.
Thank you, Sridhar. It was a great pleasure, or rather I enjoyed every moment in GS Lab for the last 5 years. Out of my 34 years of experience in working experience, I really enjoyed working in GS Lab. And still, I was still, I'm still feeling that I will do better. This is a poem I wrote yesterday. This is in Marathi. Those who didn't understand or don't understand, they can come on Monday and I will explain. Yeah, okay. It's a GS Lab. Hello. It's a GS Lab. कंपनीच्या 8व्या वर्ष सोहळ्यानिमित्त झालेले हे काव्य आपल्या सर्वांना आवडेल अशी मी आशा. वर्षोवर्षी सोहळ्याचे स्वप्न ठरो मधुर, अभिनंदन तुम्हा टीमचे सुनील श्रीधर. कलिकेचे पुष्प झाले अशी GS लॅब, कष्ट करिता पुरतील हरिकाचे खाब. तशीच हो इथुनी कुटुंबी बहार, अभिनंदन तुम्हा टीमचे सुनील श्रीधर. अडथळ्यावरी मात करुनी जातील पुढे, मिळती सहजी आम्हा त्यातूनच धडे. स्मृती इथल्या कधी न हो दुसर, अभिनंदन तुम्हा टीमचे सुनील श्रीधर. करतील सगळं काम इथे स्नेहाने, सोडून जाता तेच आठवतील प्रेमाने. यशो मिळो सर्वांना प्रार्थना ईश्वर, अभिनंदन तुम्हा टीमचे सुनील श्रीधर. Thank you for listening.
So let me make one more attempt. Is Kalyani here yet? Viraj? Chetan? Okay. We'll try that again. Thank you very much and enjoy the party. Hi. So let me tell you how Viraj got to GS Lab. When we were only on the third floor of Vishwa Kalyan, somebody he knew and who also I knew because of the school my kids attended, brought Viraj along and said he's doing an MTech at IIT Kharagpur and wants a guide. I think he probably regretted doing his MTech thesis here at GS Lab, but he did come along. We made him work very hard. He's been here with us right since. So Viraj, thank you very much for the long service. Yeah.
Well, I can't see most of you. Probably only a couple of people here, and I can't recognize them. So I'll just address it to the darkness. So it's been a long journey, and it's been a very pleasant one, and I hope to continue going on for at least quite a few more years to come. Thank you very much.
Call the judges on stage. Shamika Chetan and Nupur Patwardhan. Please come on stage and give away the gift. Okay, so there are two prizes. This one. Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Alright, let me tell you one thing before. I must say that I hate judging kids like that. I do not like judging fancy dresses like that because I love all the kids. But since we need to maybe just give first prizes away, so we need to, I guess, give the first prizes away. So here it is. So we have come to a conclusion, and we think that the little kid who dressed like Anna Hazare, that kid was adorable. Not that the others weren't, we love the others as well. Dhairya, sorry, I'm so sorry. Dhairya, he is adorable. Yeah. Kids, please. Yeah. Can I go on to the second one?
Kids, please. These two kids, please come on stage. Parents, please bring them on stage. And guys, class. So that's Dhairya. So now we want Arush on stage. Where is Arush? Oh, Arush is already here.
I also want to describe how Arush looked as well. No, Arushi looked as well. She was wearing she was wearing was she? I don't know. Okay, she was wearing something Rajasthani, and she was so cute that we fell in love with her as well. So it's a boy. It's a boy. Hello. He is Thank you so much. Is that all?
Thank you, Judge. This night is by Kedar. Kedar has joined us recently and he will be singing a beautiful song for you.
मुस्कुरा दे, मुस्कुरा दे, जरा मुस्कुरा दे, है खुशी गम बात ले तू अपने, हमसे तू ले हंसी, हो गए हम अब तेरे, तू हो गई अपनी, मुस्कुहाती दिल मलाई ले, मुस्कुहाती दिल, हे जरा मुस्कुरा दे, मुस्कुरा दे, जरा मुस्कुरा दे, है खुशी जवा दिल की राहों में जैसे खिलती है कली, तेरे होठों पे बसी ऐसी हल्की सी हंसी, जवा दिल की राहों में जैसे खिलती है कली, तेरे होठों पे बसी ऐसी हल्की सी हंसी, फिर क्यों चुप रही हो, दिल की बातें तो बताओ, तुम सुनती ना रहो तुम अब जाना, मुस्कुराओ, हाँ हाँ मुस्कुहाती दिल मलाई ले, मुस्कुहाती दिल, हे जरा मुस्कुरा दे, मुस्कुरा दे, जरा मुस्कुरा दे, है खुशी मुस्कुहाती दिल मलाई ले, मुस्कुहाती दिल, हे जरा मुस्कुरा दे, मुस्कुरा दे, जरा मुस्कुरा दे, है खुशी माना हमसे हो गई एक छोटी सी खता, हंस दो ना तुम जरा, दो ना हमको तुम सजा, माना हमसे हो गई एक छोटी सी खता, हंस दो ना तुम जरा, दो ना हमको तुम सजा, तुम जो हंस पड़े तो अब हम भी मुस्कुराए, आओ मिलके साथ गाए, दिल से दिल भी मिलाए, मुस्कुहाती दिल मलाई ले, मुस्कुहाती दिल, हे जरा मुस्कुरा दे, मुस्कुरा दे, जरा मुस्कुरा दे, है खुशी मुस्कुहाती दिल मलाई ले, मुस्कुहाती दिल, हे जरा मुस्कुरा दे, मुस्कुरा दे, जरा मुस्कुरा दे, है खुशी मुस्कुहाती दिल मलाई ले, मुस्कुहाती दिल, हे जरा मुस्कुरा दे, मुस्कुरा दे, जरा मुस्कुरा दे, है खुशी.
About 50 likes for you, Kedar. Yeah. So,
The stall you like the most, Angry Birds, how many people liked it?
Angry Birds, 10 likes. About 10 likes.
You don't win.
Okay, Angry Birds, you didn't win, I guess.
Then the ping pong.
Ping pong.
You had a hat and you had to catch the ball in the air. How many people for that?
Ping pong, about 15. Yeah, there are about 15 likes.
The poker stall. How many people even played it? The ring game.
Ring game.
I'm not seeing lights from
The ring
backside.
game.
People at the back.
Okay, and the last game, the basketball game. Oh.
Enjoying. So let's begin. We have a skit coming up now.
Somebody would like to come on stage and say something, a joke or something, the little ones.
क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछना है. अरे यार ये तो बड़ी मुसीबत हो गई है.
what's the highest number of jeeras you've got in a day?
Difficult question.
I guess Bhargav is not used to answer the questions. He's used to just ask the question.
Okay.
Anybody would like to ask Bhargav a question?
How many questions do you have asked in all of our company update meetings?
Or more than all the people counted together.
Next question.
बताने. How can you be able to ask so many questions? Imagine what the person guys are saying you are compliant boy of JS Lab who can ask lots of questions. So that's what I'm saying. It's simple. Listen to what is being said and then you will find out questions in them. As you all are aware, Anna Hazara movement is going on. So Sonia Gandhi is little tensed and she is saying, हजारों से डर नहीं लगता साहब, हजारे से लगता है. Can you? Okay. हाँ. तेज कहते बाद तू प्यादा को पैदा क्यों बोलता है? मेरा पैदा किसने मारा?
I'll take this question offline.
Good question.
Yeah, anybody else? Bhargav, how many times you have lost from Kushal? Bhargav doesn't know I play anti-chess with him.
We anyhow find time for that. Today's quiz is all based on Facebook. How it helps in building new relationships. So let's see.
सबसे पढ़ाकू बच्चा है.
ये भी सही हो गया यार. Yes यार.
हाय विवेक.
हाँ यार.
और पेपर कैसा था?
यार पेपर तो इतना अच्छा नहीं है.
ये तो स्कॉलर है, इसकी डिस्टिंक्शन आएगी.
यार तुम फिर स्टार्ट हो गए.
अरे वो छोड़.
मुझे इसको फोटोग्राफ देखे. कौन से? वही आकर डिस्पोजिंग वाले.
कौन से यार कौन से?
तुझे क्या लगता है वो कमिटेड हो गया सिंगल? यार वो सिंगल तो नहीं हो सकती, शायद कंप्लीट हो.
हाँ यार मुझे भी वैसे ही लगता है. आजकल वो सर क्या हर एक कमेंट को लाइक कर रही है.
ठीक है यार, पत्ता कट गया.
ठीक है यार चलता है. वो छोड़. उसके साथ जो ग्रीन वाली पिक्चर देखा क्या?
नहीं, कौन है वो?
अरे वही जो हमेशा उसके साथ होती है.
नाम क्या है उसका?
शिट यार नाम तो याद नहीं आ रहा, लेकिन टैग क्या है एल्बम में देख ले.
ठीक है.
यार ये क्या टैग, क्या एल्बम, क्या कौन ग्रीन वाली, मुझे भी कुछ बताओगे?
Dude, you are not on FB?
FB? ये क्या होता है?
Facebook यार, Facebook.
फेसबुक?
अरे यार अब हमें फिर से सोचना पड़ेगा किसके साथ दोस्ती करनी चाहिए और किससे नहीं. ठीक है यार, थोड़ा काम है.
चल ठीक है यार.
अच्छा स्वप्निल, यार मैं सोच रहा था आज पेपर खत्म हो गया, क्यों ना पार्टी शार्टी की जाए.
ठीक है पक्का. तू भी आ रहा है ना?
सोचूंगा यार.
ये तो भी नहीं आएगा.
तेरा कुछ नहीं होगा यार. ठीक है चल बाय.
चल ठीक है यार, मैं भी चाहता हूँ मुझे कुछ काम.
चल ठीक है यार.
अच्छा विवेक, यार एक बात याद आई मुझे. तुझे मालूम है एक सेमिनार होने वाला है.
कौन सा यार?
यार एक बंदा देने वाला है, काफी अच्छी न्यूज में है वो.
कब है?
यार डेट तो मुझे पता नहीं, बट मालूम चलते ही फेसबुक पे पोस्ट करता हूँ.
वॉल फेसबुक क्या है ये सब बताओगे मुझे?
यार फेसबुक की वॉल. छोड़ यार, तेरी समझ में नहीं आएगा.
इसके बाद विवेक घर जाता है और सोचने लगता है.
यार अब तो मुझे ही फेसबुक के बारे में पता करना पड़ेगा.
फिर विवेक अपने कुछ दोस्तों को फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट भेजता है प्रोफाइल पिक बनाने के बाद.
यार इतनी लिखाई तो मैंने कभी एग्जाम में भी नहीं की।
तभी उसे अपने बचपन के प्यार की याद आती है और वो उसकी फेसबुक प्रोफाइल ढूंढने लगता है। काफी सोचने के बाद वो उसे फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट भेजता है। और फिर इंतजार।
So I'm going to sing a song and Varun will be playing guitar. I hope you'll enjoy it. So let's start. कुछ न कहो, कुछ भी न कहो, कुछ न कहो, कुछ भी न कहो, क्या कहना है, क्या सुनना है, मुझको पता है, तुमको पता है, समय का ये पल थमसा गया है और इस पल में कोई नहीं है। मत एक कुछ न कहो, कुछ भी न कहो, कुछ न कहो, कुछ भी न कहो। कितने गहरे शाम के रंग हैं झलके, पर्वत से उतरे बादल जैसे आंचल ढलके और इस पल में कोई नहीं है। बस एक कुछ न कहो, कुछ भी न कहो, कुछ न कहो, कुछ भी न कहो। सूंघी सूंघी आँखें, महकी महकी धड़कन, महके महके शाम के
और उठ जाता है। उसके प्यार संपदा ने उसका फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट एक्सेप्ट कर लिया है। कभी
हेलो।
हेलो, क्या हुआ है आजकल फेसबुक पे?
हाँ यार,
नया अकाउंट, नए दोस्त, बढ़िया है यार।
बस ऐसे ही यार।
और वो कौन है?
कौन?
अरे वही एफबी वाले।
अरे कोई नहीं यार, पुरानी स्कूल फ्रेंड है।
हाँ बेटा, तुम्हें जब नहीं मिला क्या? वो छोड़, तूने हमारा एनुअल डे वाला मोमेंट्स देखा क्या?
नहीं यार।
अच्छा तो फिर देख ले, मैंने अपने वॉल पे पोस्ट किया है।
चल ठीक है यार, भी देखता हूँ।
हाँ ठीक है, चल बाय।
चल यार।
बारी अभी बाकी है।
इस अच्छे परफॉर्मेंस के बाद कभी विवेक को फोन आता है।
हेलो
यार भाई आजकल तू भी फेसबुक पे आ गया।
हाँ यार,
बहुत सुन रहा हूँ तेरे बारे में आजकल। कैसे है तेरे नए दोस्त और सुना से तेरी नई दोस्त?
अरे तुम लोग भी यार, पुरानी स्कूल की फ्रेंड है यार वो।
अबे चुप कर, सब कुछ मालूम मुझे तेरे बारे में।
चल छोड़ यार, यार तुम्हारा परफॉर्मेंस तो काफी दासू था यार।
परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा था यार, बट बाजी तो किसी और ने ही मार ली।
किसने?
मैं मास्टर प्रोफेसर, क्या गाना गाता है।
मैथ्स वाला अपना गाना भी गाते हो?
हाँ यार, बहुत बहुत गाना गाता है।
अच्छा,
मेरी वॉल बिलिंग पोस्ट है, देख लेना।
चल ठीक है यार, देखता हूँ।
ठीक है, रखता हूँ, तू कुछ ऐड कर।
यार तुम्हारी जैसी किस्मत साफ नहीं।
अबे किस्मत की बात मत कर, पहले 3 तुम्हारा था, आज एक भी नहीं है।
चल कोई नहीं यार।
चल ठीक है,
चल ठीक है यार, देखता हूँ। मैथ्स वाला भी यार।
मायेच्या हळव्या स्पर्शानी खुलते, नात्यांच्या बंधात धुंद मोहरते, मनोधाण वाऱ्याचे गुज पावसाचे, का होते बेभान कसे गहिवरते, मनोधाण वाऱ्याचे गुज पावसाचे, का होते बेभान कसे गहिवरते, मन उधाण वाऱ्याचे. आकाशी स्वप्नांच्या हरपून भान शिरते, हुरहुरत्या सांजेला कधी एकटेच जुळते, सावरते बावरते घडते अडखळते का पडते, कधी आशेच्या हिंडोळ्यावरून हे वेडे झुलते, मन तरंग होऊन पाण्यावरती फिरते, अनक्षणात फिरून आभाळाला भिडते, मन उधाण वाऱ्याचे गुज पावसाचे, का होते बेभान कसे गहिवरते, मन उधाण वाऱ्याचे गुज पावसाचे, का होते बेभान कसे गहिवरते, मन उधाण वाऱ्याचे गुज पावसाचे, का होते बेभान कसे गहिवरते, मन उधाण वाऱ्याचे. ऋण जुळते गुणगुणते, कधी गुंतते हरवते, कधी गहिऱ्या डोळ्यांच्या डोहात पार बुडते, तळमळते सारखे भावडे नकळत गाभर कटते, कधी मोहाच्या 4 क्षणांना मन हे वेडे फुलते, जाणते जरी हे पुन्हा पुन्हा का चुकते, भावडे तरी भासाच्या मागून पडते, मन उधाण वाऱ्याचे गुज पावसाचे, का होते बेभान कसे गहिवरते, मन उधाण वाऱ्याचे. मायेच्या हळव्या स्पर्शानी खुलते, नात्यांच्या बंधात धुंद मोहरते, मन उधाण वाऱ्याचे गुज पावसाचे, का होते बेभान कसे गहिवरते, मन उधाण वाऱ्याचे. थँक्यू.
तभी विवेक सोचता है क्यों ना संपदा को एक विदेश भेजा जाए।
ये संपदा फूल है। क्रिएट बोलता है।
शाखों पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं, फूलों पे भौरे गा रहे,
दीवाने किरणें गा रही है, ये पंछी गा रहे।
वो बगिया में तो फूलों की हो रही है गुफ्तगू, जो नगरों में होता है हो रहा है हुबहू।
आई 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 जुबिडो में पंपारा, जुबिडो में परम्पाम, जुबिडो में नाचे क्यों पागल स्टूपिड मान। जुबिडो में पंपारा, जुबिडो में परम्पाम, जुबिडो में नाचे क्यों पागल स्टूपिड मान।
Why are you writing this on my wall?
Oh, was it your wall? I'm really sorry.
Dude, what's your problem?
I'm really sorry. I'm new to Facebook.
Oh, how have you been? Long time, yeah.
I'm good. I just completed my BE. By the way, I'm placed at Google.
Oh, Google?
What are you doing, by the way?
Nothing much, yeah. I'm doing BA in dance.
Oh, cool. When can I have a glimpse of your talent?
Array, there is not much.
कुछ तो होगा.
Let me see. I can show 1 or 2 performances maybe. By the way, I got to go.
हो गई मैं मतवारी, बल बल जाऊं अपने पिया को, है मैं जाऊं वारी वारी, मोहे सुध बुध ना रही तन मन की, ये तो जाने दुनिया सारी, बेबस और लाचार फिरूं मैं, हारी मैं दिल हारी, हारी मैं दिल हारी, तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरी जान के सदके कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊं, तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं, मिट गई मैं, होरी हारी हो गई मैं, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी। इश्क जुनू जब हद से बढ़ जाए, इश्क जुनू जब हद से बढ़ जाए, हंसते हंसते आशिक सूली चढ़ जाए, इश्क दा जादू सर चढ़ कर बोले, खूब लगा लो पहरे रस्ते रब खोले, यही इश्क दी मर्जी है, यही रब दी मर्जी है, तेरे बिन जीना कैसा हाँ खुद गर्जी है, तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं, मिट गई मैं, होरी हारी हो गई मैं, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी, है मैं रंग रंगीली दीवानी, है मैं अलबेली मैं मस्तानी, गाऊं बजाऊं सबको रिझाऊं, है मैं दीन धर्म से बेगानी, तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरी जान के सदके कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊं, तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं, मिट गई मैं, होरी हारी हो गई मैं, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी। थैंक यू।
I liked it very much. Your performance is really good, but the guy is so.
What Ravish? He's the best. He set up the entire thing.
To me, it seemed as if you were better.
Thank you, but it was a combined effort.
By the way, who is that guy?
क्यों रे? ऐसा क्यों पूछ रहा है?
अरे ऐसे ही, तू उसकी बहुत तारीफ कर रही थी, मुझे लगा अच्छा दोस्त है। स्माइल का क्या मतलब है?
अरे तुझसे क्या छुपाना? किसी को बताना मत। That guy is my boyfriend.
ओह, गुड। अरे मेरे दोस्त आए हैं, हम लोग बाहर जा रहे थे। आई गॉट टू गो।
Okay, bye.
क्या हुआ कैसे हुआ कब हुआ क्यों हुआ जब हुआ तब हुआ।
फेसबुक की दुनिया से परेशान होकर विवेक सोचता है अब यह अकाउंट डिलीट ही कर देता हूँ।
बहुत हुआ फेसबुक का चक्कर, बस अब और नहीं।
तभी उसे एक नई लड़की का नोटिफिकेशन आता है।
नोटिफिकेशन अभी?
We'll get another event as an output for you, Kushi. Coming up with the last event, after the rocking performance of Zubidoo from Gayatri and Arindam, now they are going to perform another rocking song.
इधर हो रहा है
often. So great show, guys. Whoever did it. Big hand for all of them. So let's complete the remaining part of the 5-year awards. Let me call Kalyani Kulkarni here. Kalyani. About Kalyani. She joined GS Lab, I guess, more than 5 years back, when she had just returned from Boston and began on a project called NetZen. Now she's managing a variety of things in our convergence practice. Kalyani, thank you for your long service. Anything you would like to say?
Thanks a lot. It is management and my team members who have made me stay here so long. Thanks all.
Thank you. Thanks. Next up is Chetan Vaiti. Chetan. Aside from teaching us about kayaking, Brahmi and whatever else, and some really good parties, I'm yet to attend one, but I hear about them. Chetan got to GS Lab from Bangalore Intel, and it's been great fun to have him. The K-Point team knows about that. That's where he started on the 4th floor of Vishwa Kalyan. Chetan, any words from you?
It feels like it has been a long time, but in some ways it feels like just yesterday when I joined. I remember the first day and everything. It has been a wonderful journey for more than 5 years. In fact, in some time it will be 6 years. And I couldn't have asked for a better team and good leadership. And it has been great fun.
Thank you, Chetan. So thank you guys. Once again, I hope we have many more of 5-year pluses from among the rest of the crowd. So with that, I'll call.
I would like to call upon the most energetic personality, Mr. Ajit Patwardhan, to give away the vote of thanks.
Please, sir.
एनर्जी कहाँ देखा तुमने भाई? All right. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the formal occasion when I would like to thank all of you, the parents, the near and dear ones, for joining us as we celebrate our 8th birthday. I would also like to thank Chintamani and his team, which includes the office boys and everyone who filled in and ensured that everything went off fine. And last but not the least, I'd like you all to put your hands together for the campus hires of 2011. You've done a wonderful job today. The shadow dance was outstanding and the singing, awesome. Last but not the least, the HR team, which was everywhere and doing a wonderful job. Ladies and gentlemen, as most of you have already realized, the food is served for those who want to have food. And here's a surprise announcement. For those who want to shake a leg, we're going to have a DJ and some dance. All right. Thank you very much.
People, please write on the wall, write on the Facebook wall, which are at there and in front. It's here.